So growing up, I didn't really have a space where I could play sport. I was super active. I loved playing sports. I didn't have a space where I could kind of explore my own kind of abilities and the skills and the things that I was doing. So I was always kind of the only girl playing in all boy settings. I knew that coming into working here, I really wanted to build out the girls programming because it was something so important to me.
I like every other program, but like girls program, it's different. Like in a different environment, it's different. You can relate to more people. The boys, like they take up a little bit more space, but when it's girls program, it's like a nice balance of both.
I'm always confident in myself, and it's just gonna stay that way. I want to get better at basketball. It's just fun. I just shoot the ball and it's just there. I don't know. I'm there. I just boom, boom, bam.
I like to play basketball because it's really fun to play. When I'm older, I want to join the WNBA.
By setting the example that they can be included in sports, they can also feel like they're included in our societies, right? In the future, be our decision makers, our leaders, and don't feel like they fall short in anything. What we really like about this program is that MLSE is creating that opportunity and that a safe space for people to be included.
And I've seen some of them for the last 5 years, so almost like half of their lives, which is crazy to think about. Start off as like 6-year-olds who could barely catch or throw a ball, and now they're like 11 years old, 12 years old, and are excelling in sports in ways where they feel a little bit more confident in their own abilities. And I can kind of see that kind of be taken off the court as well, and in their social settings and their social competence and things like that. To kind of be here for the last 5 years and see that growth in person and to see them continue to kind of work on those skills, it's been a really important journey for myself and for the kids themselves as well.